Behaves like you want it to, why it's always frizzy, unmanageable, and dull? We've all been there. One moment, you're walking out of the salon with hair as smooth as silk, and the next, you're dealing with the same old frizz, dullness, and damage. It's like your hair has a mind of its own, and it's not on your side. It's a common struggle that feels all too familiar. Frizz is the uninvited guest that always shows up, no matter how hard you try to avoid it. It's the result of a lack of moisture in your hair, often exacerbated by humidity and heat. Then there's dullness, the telltale sign of unhealthy hair. It's like the shine has been sucked out of your strands, leaving them looking lifeless. And let's not forget about damage, the result of everything from heat styling to pollution. Imagine if these everyday struggles could be tamed. If there was a solution that could turn your hair from a wild, unruly mess into a glossy, manageable dream. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Enter Glossplus Professional Keratin Hair Treatment. A game changer in the world of hair care, Glossplus is designed to tackle all your hair woes head-on. Its secret weapon? Keratin, a protein that's naturally found in your hair. When applied as a treatment, it can replenish your hair's natural shine, combat frizz, and repair damage. Think of Glossplus as your hair's new best friend. It's like a personal trainer for your strands, working out all the kinks and leaving them stronger, shinier, and healthier. No more battling with your hair every morning, no more resigning yourself to a bad hair day. With Glossplus, you're in control. So say goodbye to the struggle. It's time to step into a world where your hair is no longer the enemy, but an ally. Where it's not just about managing your hair, but loving it. What if we told you there's a product that can turn your hair nightmares into a dream? Meet Glossplus Professional Keratin Hair Treatment. Glossplus Professional Keratin Hair Treatment isn't your ordinary hair product. It's a magical elixir, a potion if you will, designed to bring a transformative change to your hair. Let's dive into the world of Glossplus and unravel the secrets behind its magic. The heart of Glossplus's charm lies in its ability to smoothen hair, add a lustrous shine, reduce frizz, and restore the natural health of your hair. It's like an all-in-one package, a toolkit for hair care that caters to all hair types. Whether you've got straight, wavy, curly, or coily hair, Glossplus is your go-to solution. But what makes Glossplus so special? What's the key ingredient that gives it its magic? It's keratin, a protein that makes up the structure of your hair. When used in a hair treatment like Glossplus, keratin works wonders. This process helps to repair damage, reduce frizz, and add a beautiful shine to your hair. Imagine your hair cuticles as a rough, uneven road. Keratin acts like a road repair crew, filling in the potholes and smoothing out the surface. This results in a sleek, smooth, and shiny road, or in this case, hair. It's like giving your hair a fresh, new, glossy coat of paint. But the magic doesn't stop there. Glossplus not only beautifies your hair, but also strengthens it. It's like a protective shield, keeping your hair safe from the daily wear and tear. And the best part? The benefits of Glossplus last for a long time, giving you smooth, shiny, and healthy hair for weeks on end. With Glossplus, you're not just styling your hair, you're transforming it. You're stepping into a world where bad hair days are a thing of the past, and glossy, healthy, frizz-free hair is the new norm. It's not just a hair product, it's a revolution in hair care. Now, you're probably wondering how to use this game-changing product. It's simpler than you think. The Glossplus journey begins with a clean slate. So, your first step is to wash your hair thoroughly with a clarifying shampoo. This type of shampoo will remove any product buildup, dirt, and excess oils, giving Glossplus the perfect base to work its magic. Think of it as the prelude to the symphony, setting the stage for the masterpiece to follow. Once your hair has been thoroughly cleansed, grab a towel and gently pat your hair dry. You don't want it to be soaking wet, but don't dry it completely either. Aim for a nice towel-dried state where your hair is still damp, but not dripping. This will ensure that the Glossplus treatment can penetrate effectively into your hair strands. Now it's time to unleash the power of Glossplus. Take a generous amount of the product into your hands. Don't be shy. Glossplus is designed to saturate your hair with its nourishing ingredients. Begin applying the product evenly from roots to ends. You want to make sure every strand is coated with Glossplus, so take your time and work methodically. This is not a step to rush. After applying the Glossplus treatment, you'll need to be patient. Let the product sit in your hair for 20 minutes. This is the perfect time to relax and let Glossplus do its thing. Remember, good things come to those who wait, and with Glossplus, your patience will be rewarded with silky, shiny hair. Halfway there and it's already easy, right? But the magic is just beginning. This is just the first half of the Glossplus application process. As simple as it is, it's a crucial part of the journey towards your hair transformation. So stay tuned as we delve deeper into the Glossplus experience in the next scene. Ready to complete your hair transformation? Let's continue with the Glossplus application. Having already applied the Glossplus treatment to your hair, we're now ready to move into the second half of the process. This part is as crucial as the application itself, so make sure you're prepared to give your hair the love and attention it deserves. First up, rinsing. This step is all about removing the product from your hair. You want to rinse thoroughly but gently, ensuring all the Glossplus treatment is washed out. Remember, there's no need to rush this step. Take your time and make sure your hair is completely free of the product before moving on. Next, we're going to blow dry the hair. This step might seem straightforward, but it's actually a key part of the Glossplus process. Start by towel drying your hair to remove excess water. Then, using your hairdryer, you'll want to dry your hair completely. Yes, completely. Any remaining moisture can impact the effectiveness of the treatment, so make sure every strand is bone dry. Now for the final step, flat ironing. This is where the magic truly happens. The heat from the flat iron seals the Glossplus treatment into each hair strand, giving you that salon-quality shine and smoothness. The key here is to work in small sections. Take a thin strand of hair, place your flat iron at the root, and slowly glide it down to the tip. Repeat this process for each section until your entire head is done. Remember, slow and steady wins the race here. The more careful and precise you are, the better your results will be. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the Glossplus application process. It may seem a bit lengthy, but trust us, your hair will thank you for it. With Glossplus, you're not just treating your hair, you're transforming it. You're giving it the nourishment, protection, and shine it deserves. And there you have it, salon-quality hair right at your fingertips. So what's stopping you from having the hair you've always dreamed of? Perhaps you've been under the impression that achieving salon-quality hair requires hours of your time or certain skills that you simply don't possess. Well, it's time to dispel those misconceptions and embrace the Glossplus revolution. Glossplus is more than just a product, it's a game changer. It's the secret weapon that gives you the power to transform your hair from the comfort of your own home. Let's quickly revisit the benefits you stand to gain from this revolutionary product. Firstly, Glossplus Professional Keratin Hair Treatment infuses your hair with much-needed keratin, a protein that strengthens, smoothens, and adds shine to your hair. This means saying goodbye to frizz and hello to silky, lustrous locks. And the best part? The results are long-lasting, giving you weeks of beautiful hair with just one application. Secondly, the application process is a breeze. You don't need to be a seasoned hairstylist to use Glossplus. The treatment comes with straightforward instructions that anyone can follow. It's as simple as applying the product, letting it work its magic, and then rinsing it out. No complex steps, no special skills required. Now you might be wondering about the time commitment. But here's the thing. Glossplus works while you go about your day. You can apply it, then carry on with your daily activities. It's that convenient. And when it's time to rinse it out, you're left with hair that looks and feels like it's been professionally treated. So, there you have it. Glossplus is the answer to your hair woes. It's a simple, convenient solution that delivers professional quality results. It's time to stop settling for less and start demanding more from your hair care routine. Don't just dream about flawless hair, make it a reality. Try Glossplus Professional Keratin Hair Treatment today